Want to start an online business with no money, no skills, and no camera? Sounds crazy, right? But with AI, it's 100% possible. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful business ideas you can start today using free AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner. Business idea number 1, sell digital products on Etsy. Use Canva to create ebooks, journals, templates, and planners. Then sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. AI helps you write. Canva helps you design. Zero design skills needed. Business idea number 2, start a faceless YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT to write scripts. Use Canva to create slides. And AI voices to bring it to life. You don't even need to speak. Just upload and grow. Business idea number 3, freelance with the help of AI. People are using ChatGPT to write blogs, product descriptions, and even resumes for clients on Fiverr and Upwork. Just learn how to prompt the AI. The rest is easy. AI is still new. The people who start early will grow fast. Don't wait until it's too late. If this video gave you ideas, hit subscribe. More step-by-step videos are coming, and let me know in the comments, which idea will you try first?